professional-grade VDE screwdriver set is specifically designed for electricians and other professionals who work with live electrical circuits. The ergonomically shaped craft foam handle provides exceptional comfort and grip, reducing muscle strain even during extended use. Markings at the back of the handle enable quick and easy identification of the required tool. The anti-roll-off feature prevents the handle from rolling away, saving you time and frustration. The set includes the following screwdrivers: 2 Phillips, 1 PoziDriv, and 3 slotted. Additionally, a voltage tester is included to ensure safe working conditions. All components of the set are VDE certified and have been rigorously tested to withstand up to 10,000 volts, ensuring safe operation under live loads of up to 1,000 volts AC. The set also contains a storage rack that can be mounted to a wall. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.